filled with so much body. Like, how can you go wrong with all of this body? Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm looking a little different because I'm not doing beauty content. I'm doing some hair content. Today you guys are going to see me transform completely. I'm about to put in some hair extensions from my hair company. So if you guys want to see how this process goes, just stay tuned and keep watching. This is what my hair looks like right now. I have my cousin here. You know, you guys support the fam before you support anybody else.
Right.
She's about to get me all fleeked up. I'll leave her @name and all of that extra stuff in the description box. If you guys are interested in hitting her up, make sure you hit her up if you like what you see. And I'll see you guys at the end of this clip. Bye. So now that I have my hair fully installed, let's get into the details about all of this hair right now. The install is fabulous. What I have installed right now is about 4.5 bundles of my Filipino Bob Season Body Wave from my body collection of Filipino virgin hair. I love it. It feels so soft and it's full. I have a partial sew-in with just a little bit of leave out, about this much leave out of my own hair, which we blended with a regular curling wand. Now you can leave the hair just like this, or you can curl wand the entire hair. What I like about this hair is that it's a brush and go, wake up out of bed and go type of hair. Like, the waves are so natural. This is my second install with this hair and the waves are still booming. Like, my waves are hitting for everything right now. I love it. I absolutely love it. And as it gets colder outside, I'm gonna gradually go longer and longer. I might even throw some color in this 2 weeks from now or a week from now. Hey, who knows? I want to start switching up my hair a lot. I'm definitely gonna upload another video on how to style this hair further if you want a more defined curly look or a straight look, because of course the hair can go straight. If you dolls love this hair as much as I do, or you want to give it a little try based on how it looks, then I will leave a link in the description box, and I will also leave a link on the screen right here where you can go ahead and purchase the hair. Give it a try, see if you like it. I'm sure you're gonna love it as much as I do. If you guys like this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment in the comment section, and stay tuned for my next video when I style this bomb hair. See you dolls in my next video.